Money-saving hacks for budget travelers. Ever dreamed of flying for just $5? Imagine the possibilities. But what happens when a too-good-to-be-true deal might actually be a mistake? Let's dive into some essential money-saving hacks for budget travelers, and what to do if you stumble upon a suspiciously cheap flight. Careful planning is the cornerstone of budget travel. Don't just jump into booking the first thing you see. Research is your best friend. Start by comparing prices across multiple platforms. Use flight comparison websites and consider flying on weekdays or during the off-season for lower fares. Flexibility is key. Accommodation can eat up a huge chunk of your travel budget. Think outside the hotel box. Hostels, guest houses, and Airbnb can offer significant savings. Consider staying slightly outside the city center. Public transportation can often make up for the distance, and you'll likely find cheaper options. Look for places with kitchen facilities to save on food costs too. Eating out every meal can quickly drain your funds. Embrace local markets and grocery stores. Cooking your own meals is a fantastic way to save money and experience local flavors. Pack snacks to avoid impulse purchases. Refillable water bottles are essential to avoid buying expensive drinks. Look for free water fountains, or ask restaurants to fill your bottle. Public transportation is almost always cheaper than taxis or ride-sharing services. Research local bus and train routes. Consider purchasing a travel pass for unlimited rides. Walking is free and a great way to explore a new city. Renting a bike can also be a cost-effective and enjoyable way to get around. Okay, back to that unbelievably cheap flight. If you find a flight for $5, especially due to a currency conversion error, proceed with caution. Airlines are likely to catch the mistake. Contact the airline immediately to clarify the price. Be prepared for them to correct the error and charge you the correct fare. If you try to board without addressing the issue, you risk being denied boarding. It's better to be safe than sorry. Budget travel is all about smart planning and resourcefulness. By implementing these money-saving hacks, you can travel further and experience more without breaking the bank. Ready to start your next adventure? Subscribe to our channel for more budget travel tips and tricks. Share this video with your fellow travel buddies and let us know in the comments your favorite money-saving hack. Don't forget to hit that like button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.